The year is coming to a close real soon, which means it's that time again to list and showcase smartphones under a particular price point. I hope you got that Christmas bonus ready. Hey guys, CJ here of Yuga Tech, and in this video, we'll be checking out smartphones under 30,000 pesos for the fourth quarter of 2023. Let's get started. The first one on this list is the most affordable, which is the V29e. It features a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display that features a 120Hz refresh rate, while under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset. It comes with 12GB of RAM plus 8GB of extended RAM, which totals to a potential of 20GB of RAM. It's paired up with 256GB of UFS 2.2 internal storage available, which makes for transferring files and installing apps on this phone feel pretty quick. The V29e uses a dual rear camera setup featuring a 64-megapixel main lens and 8-megapixel ultra-wide with a 50-megapixel front-facing shooter. Add all that with nice AI image processing, and the price-to-camera performance out of the V29e is actually pretty good. It runs on a 4,800 mAh battery with 44-watt fast charging support. And another notable thing to point out is vivo's Aura Light 2.0 that features an adjustable white balance, allowing users to take either a cooler or warmer vibe with the cameras. The Vivo V29e currently goes for a retail price of 18,999 pesos. Another slightly more expensive offering from Vivo is their Vivo V29 5G. The V29e is older brother. It features a Snapdragon 778G 5G processor with 12GB of RAM, while also having either 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. Also has a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display that features a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. It comes with a triple rear camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. And in front, we get a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The V29 5G has a 4,600 mAh battery with 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging. It's also got that sweet Aura Light 2.0 that the V29e has. All that comes at just 24,999 pesos for the 256GB model. And spending just a little bit extra gets you the upgraded 512GB variant at just 26,999 pesos. You can catch a bunch of our videos featuring the Vivo V29 5G right here. Next on this list is the Xiaomi 13T. It features a stunning 6.67-inch FHD Plus Crystal Res AMOLED display and a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Underneath, it's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Co-engineered by Leica, it also has a triple rear camera system that consists of a 50-megapixel main, 50-megapixel telephoto, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while having a 20-megapixel front-facing camera. What's juicing up the device is a 5,000 mAh battery that has a 67-watt turbo charging support. The Xiaomi 13T currently retails for 26,999 pesos. Last on this list is a flip phone. It's a Tecno Phantom V Flip. It features a MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Its display is a 6.9-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness. This is one of the most affordable bendy screen flip phones you can acquire in the Philippines today. It's got a dual rear camera setup with a 64-megapixel main and 13-megapixel secondary camera. It uses a 32-megapixel selfie sensor as its front shooter. It also features some cool visual pets in its cover screen. The Phantom V Flip just about meets our budget, as it's priced at 29,999 pesos. Pwede ka pa mag-candy. And that's about it for our list of smartphones in the fourth quarter of 2023 under 30,000 pesos. What did you think of our list? I'm on any of them? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and turn the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace! Okay.